So we're here to review David Walliams' The World's Worst Children, and published by HarperCollins, and illustrations by Tony Ross. I'm in love with these illustrations. Let me read out a small excerpt from this book. This is on the worst children that are possibly there on planet Earth, and you'd be thankful that you have better children at home. So there are different chapters like the series which has been there. So this is one of the stories is on the terrible triplets. Once upon a time, there was a set of terrible triplets. Their names were Tom, Dick, and Harry. Sometimes when you have sets of triplets, you have a mixture of nice ones and naughty ones. All three of these triplets were naughty. Tom, Dick, and Harry had been born just moments apart, fighting their way out of the womb, trying to allow each other aside to see who could be first. You see, all three of them wanted to be top dog. As a result, their lives became a non-stop struggle over who was the best at something. These being three of the world's worst children, they wanted to be the best at bad things only. Very bad things. When they were babies, Tom, Dick, and Harry would battle over who could bawl the loudest. Break their toys the fastest. Bash. Chew through the bars in their cot first. Munch. Create the most mess on the walls with their crayons. Soak their poor mother with the most water spat from the bug. Splush. Very typical of his writing style, where the fonts are very different and bold, louder, and you have all the sounds going, with a bit of a kind of exclamation and different. They are very different. It's a glossy kind of a feel of the book, and different chapters are there. So you have the terrible triplets and others also, like you have Honey the Hogger, and what else do we have? Bonnie Bossy Pants, and so many other children and their stories. It makes for a perfect vacation read, or early teens or 9 and 10-year-olds also will like it. And Months and Stories gives it 4.5 out of 5. Yes, we definitely recommend this book. So this is a fab book for a leisure read. And that's it. Thank you.